Hello, welcome friends to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about OSPF routing in networking. So let's start. I will take two routers. One second. Two end devices. One switch, one here, and then wire. OSPF routing. Class A, and here will be class B. Okay guys, and here public IP 1, two, here IP 1, class A IP 10.0.0.1, and here class B 172.116.0.1. Okay, and it is time to provide IP address to all the interfaces like FA0 by 0, FA0 by 1 on the second and first router. Enable con interface FA0.0, enter. IP add 20.0.0.1 to 55.0.0.0. No set. Okay.
So interface FA0.1, okay, IP add 10.0.0.1 subnet, okay, no set, okay, and I will give IP address to all the computers, and we can say end devices by the process of DHCP by the router. Pool 1 network subnet default router, okay, do right. Now this PC get automatically IP address by the process of DHCP. You can see the 2 DHCP, here 3, and now it's time second router. No. Interface FA0.0, IP add 20.0.0.2 subnet, no set, exit. Interface FA0 by 1, IP add 172.16.0.0, okay, 0.1 to 255.255.0.0. Okay, no shut. Okay, now DSCP IP DSCP pool 1. Okay, network 172.16.0.1 subnet. Okay, now default router 172.16.0.1. enter, do right, and this piece will get automatically IP address. Okay, 2, and here 172.16.0.3. okay, nice. Now the time came to provide IP address to both of the routers. OSPF routing. It's time to OSPF routing. So let's start in the first router. Enter, exit, router OSPF, and here ID. You can provide any ID. I choose 12. Enter, and say network 10.0.0.0. Here network ID will be preferred, not any IP address. And here subnet mask 255. Okay. It said incomplete command, means something else missing here, and that is area 0. Okay guys, and then do right. And second one is 10, and second one is FS0.0 20.0.1. so here 20 ID. Okay, do right. In OSPF routing, both interfaces FS0.0 and FS0.1 will be CAM. Okay, that's over. And here exit, router OSPF 12 network FS0.0 20.0.0.0 and wildcard mask, I think 0.0.0.255 and area and upgrade 0. Okay, second FS0.1 interface. So here will be, I cut network 172.0.16.0.0 wildcard mask 0.0.255.255 area 0. This is the command of second class B, and I enter, do right. Okay guys, you can see that this command is for class B 172, and this command is for class A interface FS0.0. and so you can see commands again by pausing the video. Now I will show you by sending the packets. First packet always fails, and then second packet becomes successful. You can see it here, successful. First packets always fail, and second packet will become always successful. As you can see that here, successful. So guys, you can resume the video and can see steps again